beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a ZARA haul. I am so excited to show you guys all of the amazing pieces that I picked up over this sale. You guys know that ZARA has a sale, I think twice a year, and when they have a sale, it's a real sale. Like, I'm talking, be ready to get you some beautiful pieces at a fraction of the cost. So whenever they do have a sale, I am right there ready, okay? Ready. So I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of the pieces that I picked up over this sale and also last year's sale, which I never really did a video on. And since I'm doing more fashion related videos, I thought I would include those pieces in this video because they are so beautiful and the price point is crazy. When I tell you how much I actually purchased it for versus what it was retailing for, it's gonna blow your mind. So now let's get on to these pieces. I have them right over here, the pieces that I went ahead and picked up from ZARA. I'm so happy with every single item. I have one of them on right now, this dress right over here. Let's just start with this dress over here that I have on right now. So this is a snake print dress. It is long all the way down to my ankles. I absolutely love this dress. I like the way that it cinches right under like my boob line. It gives my shape a really beautiful, flattering look. It's really flowy and comfortable and super like lightweight on the skin and the feel of it. And I really like the way that the arms here, the sleeves, stop like midway. I really like that detail, and overall I just love the design of it. It has pockets, which is amazing. Really like that also, and the buttons all the way down. Now when I did get this dress, I got it in a small. It is a tiny little bit tight on me, just a little bit on the bust area, but you know, I'm gonna lose some weight, so we will make it work. And another thing is it came with a missing button, but that's totally fine because of the price that I got it for. I can just purchase a little black button and I am good to go. So this dress here was originally $80 and I got this for 15 bucks, which is insane, and I absolutely love it. So the next item that I have here is this skirt that literally broke my DMs on Instagram. I wore this skirt and everyone was like, where did you get it from? I need the link now. Unfortunately, I could not find it online because it was completely sold out. This is a midi pleated skirt and I am obsessed with it. I love how it's pleated. I love that it is a snake print, but it's this beautiful brown tone with the black detailing. I love the length of it also. It is gorgeous. Again, I paired this up with a nice knee-high boot with a nice heel on them that's still really comfortable to wear. You can tuck in a sweater like I did just to make it a little bit more stylish, and then I pair it up with a coat and I am good to go. I absolutely love it, and the feel of this is really different. It almost feels like leather, but it's not. Very different material. I actually don't know what the material is, but just the feel of it, it's very different. It's like leather, but it's not leather. It's softer than leather. It does have a little bit of the sheen to it when you walk around. I think it's such a unique piece, and this was the last one at the ZARA store that I went to, and I'm so glad I picked it up. This is a small, and it is a little bit small for me. Definitely is small, but I make it work, girl. I make it work. And this piece here, what did I get this for? I got this for $15.99, and originally I believe this was about $70. So this was a steal. So the next item that I picked up is this beautiful dress, another animal print. I think everything is animal print. This beautiful dress. I absolutely love it. I got this for $15.99 and it was originally $79.99. This one is in an extra small, but it actually fits me really well. Like, it doesn't feel too tight or anything like that. It does have this detail over here on the neckline, which I honestly don't like too much. I wish I could just kind of get rid of it, and maybe I will try to get rid of it, but it's still a gorgeous dress. It looks like this. It cinches at the waist. It has like this elastic band here, which gives your curves a really nice look to it. Again, the material is really nice. It's nice and soft and flowy and comfortable, which I love, and it's just a standout piece. This is gorgeous. I pair it up with, like, for the winter time, any type of dress that I'm gonna wear, I'm gonna pair it up with knee-high boots because it is super cold. We want to look stylish, but we want to stay warm, and so I do pair this up with knee-high boots. Mine are from Aldo. Those are the boots that I always wear with my dresses or skirts in the winter time. But I love this dress. I love the color of it. It's really vibrant, but still very wearable in my opinion, and just the cut and the detail up here on the neckline is really pretty. The back is very simple. It just has that detail with the stitching here on the waistline, but other than that, I really like it. I love the length of it also because it definitely shows off whatever pair of boots that you're gonna wear with this. It shows off really nicely. So yeah, I'm really liking this piece. And then the next item that I got is another dress. I went dress crazy because the sale was just too good to resist. Okay, so this is another animal print dress. As you guys can see, this one is more brown and black, and this is more like a bodycon dress. It's a lot more fitted than the ones that I showed you guys previously, but I love the fact that it is long sleeve. It is a turtleneck and it goes past my knees. I love wearing bodycon dresses that way because it already shows a lot of your figure. I don't want it to show a lot of skin because that's just not my vibe. I prefer it to be hugging but covering a lot. I think it's just a classy, sexy, elegant look on myself personally. So I love this dress. The material of this dress, I'm not a huge fan, to be quite honest with you guys. I do feel like I have to be careful in terms of like washing it and drying it. I can't put this in a dryer because I think it's gonna start to look old really fast. But the style of it I really like, and just the design of it I really like, and I see myself wearing this a ton. With black heels or even red heels would go really nicely with this dress because of the brown that we have on here would look really pretty. So this dress, I believe I got it for $15.99, and originally this was $80. So it is amazing. Like most of the items that I got were on sale for $15, going down from $80, which is insane. But I absolutely love this top. Like, this is supposed to be a dress on the ZARA website, and I believe they have come out with this style more than once. So I'm going to try and find something similar. I'm going to try to find something similar to everything that I'm talking about. Unfortunately, it is a ZARA sale, and once they're gone, they are gone. So this is absolutely gorgeous. First of all, the feel of this is incredible. It's very light and airy on the skin. The design is so classy and timeless. It does have a lot of pleating detail on the bottom, which makes it nice and flowy, and also on the arms over here. I just find this piece super classy and wearable. I see this on so many different body shapes, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you are a little bit more petite and shorter, you can definitely wear this as a dress because it is quite long, but on myself it's way too short. So I always pair this up with pants. I've worn this with very dressy, flowy white pants, and it looks gorgeous and very elegant and classy. But I've also worn this with like tight faux leather pants, and it just looks a little bit more edgy. So I love the versatility of this blouse, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So the next item that I have is this floral print blouse that I absolutely love. I really like the colors. They go so well together, and this screams spring to me. I love wearing this in the spring and summertime with a pair of jeans or even with dressy nude pants. Looks absolutely gorgeous if you want it to look a little bit more dressed up. Very nice flowy nude pants or cream pants would look gorgeous with this. It's just a nice pop of color. It's a floral print that's still wearable to me, and I think it complements my skin tone really well. And I just love the detail of the sleeves. Again, it has very flowy sleeves, as you guys can see here, and then it kind of ties up, so it really cinches your waist in. Anything that cinches the waist in for my body shape is perfect because it gives you like a very nice like hourglass kind of shape. So I love this top. Again, I can dress it down with a pair of denim jeans and I am good to go, or really dress it up with a pair of flowy cream or nude pants, and this looks absolutely elegant. And this top is a really good quality. I've washed it a ton of times and it still looks pretty new, and I love it. It's so pretty. Next item that I got is this shirt dress, and this is a piece that I get so many questions on. Anytime I wear it, everyone wants to know where did I get it from, but this is old and it's no longer available at Zara. Love the detail of this shirt. I love that it's blue and there's lines going across it, so it really elongates my body, and the floral print on it is absolutely beautiful. It's really nice pop of color on this shirt. It has it all along the sleeves and at the back of the shirt, just like this. It's just a really unique piece in my closet that I can dress up and dress down. I love items that I can wear either or, like during the evening or during the day for an event or for breakfast. So this is a piece that I can really switch up. I can wear this as a shirt tucked into pants or denim jeans, and I can wear this as a dress because it is quite long. I've used it both ways. As a dress, it is a little bit shorter than I want it to be, but it's wearable. It's not to the point where it looks like a mini dress. It's still pretty good length, and again, I have worn this with pants and it looks absolutely gorgeous, so I love it. It's super flowy, lightweight, breathable, and comfortable, which is what I like my clothes to be like. This is the detail on the sleeve over here, so it does fold up and give you a little bit of a different look to it. So I just love this piece. I believe this was really cheap. I think I got this for like $15 also, so love this piece over here. So the next two items that I got from last year are my babies. I love them, and again, these two are, out of everything that I talked about, I'm pretty sure these are the two that get the most attention from people on Instagram especially. So this sweater over here, I am obsessed with this sweater. Look how beautiful this is. It still looks brand new, and I've had this for a whole year. None of the beads have fallen off whatsoever. I've never pulled them off by accident. They are still all intact. That really tells me that this is a quality piece. It's so soft and comfy, very oversized. This is a large because this was the last one at the store, and I was like, it's a large, we're gonna make it work. So I did pick it up, and I'm glad I did. It's oversized, but I can make it work. I love to wear this with a shirt underneath it, like a button-up shirt, white or black, and then some faux leather pants. It is so edgy. I've also worn this with jeans and it looks really beautiful. If you have a midi skirt that's like maybe cream, you can tuck this in and wear the sweater with it also. I love this sweater. I really like the pearls all over it, that they only come about halfway, and I like that there are different shapes to them. It really gives it a really beautiful look. I also like that the sleeves are like almost like a balloon sleeve, where they're really big and then they cinch right here at the wrist part. So yeah, I love this piece. I think, I'm trying to remember the price because it was last year. I believe I got this for maybe like $20 when the actual price point was around the $60-70 range. But yeah, love this piece. And then this item over here is absolutely gorgeous. Another item with beads. Last year beads were so in. I still see a couple of sprinkles of them this year, but last year they were all over the place at Zara. And it's this really long oversized cardigan coat that I got from Zara, and I could not believe when I went to the cash to pay for this. I picked this up, there was no price tag, it was just like the tag with the barcode, and I thought I was going to pay around $80 with the sale. This was $35, and the girl said the original price was $170. So I just got a major sale with this item, and it was the last one. I got it in the size medium, and it is a perfect size. It's really beautiful. It's really eye-catching because it's so long. I love that it's this gorgeous royal blue color, and then it has all of these beads. Again, these beads have never fallen off. I don't have any missing. They're all still intact, and it still has that large and small kind of sizing all over it. So the beads go all across the arms. Really beautiful. And then a little bit up at the front. There's none at the back. It's just a very simple cardigan, and it is made out of wool. It's so soft and comfortable. I wear this open with skinny jeans, little booties, a really simple t-shirt, and I'm good to go. Or sometimes what I do is I put a belt over this and really cinch the waistline, and it looks really edgy and fun. I love this. This is gonna last me literally a lifetime because the quality is amazing. I try not to put it in the washer or dryer whatsoever because I want this to last forever. So I definitely do dry clean this if I need to. Gorgeous piece. And then last but not least is this beautiful coat over here that was purchased in the men's section. Now this is my husband's coat, but I wear it too. I try to make it work. This is an extra large, but I do have a picture with this coat on. I'm going to show you guys how I styled it. Do not be afraid to check out the men's section when it comes to coats and t-shirts, even sometimes like joggers. They have really good stuff, and their sale is just as amazing as the girls section, so don't sleep on the men's section. But this was from the men's section. I love the pattern on this coat. It is definitely more like that vintagey look, but it is so beautiful. I just love it. This was on sale from I think $200 to $30. Insane, absolutely insane. Love it. It's, even though it looks like a thick heavy coat, it is very lightweight and super wearable. When I wear this coat, I cinch it at the waist with a statement belt, and it gives it a really classy, edgy look. Really wearable for a woman. So if you have a coat that's like too oversized, maybe you're thrift shopping, get you a belt, really cinch it at the waist and make it work. And that's what I do with this coat. It is really beautiful. It's definitely a piece that's going to be around for a long time. It's high quality, I can definitely tell, and the material is absolutely amazing. So I'm so pleased with this purchase, and I can't believe it was only $30. That is it for my Zara haul sale edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and saw some cool pieces. Unfortunately, it's really hard to link down below the exact pieces from Zara because, like I said, once they go on sale, they are completely gone. Sometimes they come back with similar items, and sometimes they really just don't. And so when there is a Zara sale, I definitely recommend you snatching something up. Wait to see if it's going to go on sale again, bring it back to the store if they lower the price, and they will lower it for you. But yeah, definitely recommend you guys checking out the Zara sale. They do it about twice a year. Get you shop tagger so it notifies you when anything goes on sale, that way you don't miss out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to try and link down below similar items in the description box, so still check out the links down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao.